What's up, guys? I just want to start by saying thank you so much. I'm really loving all the support and all the positive feedback you guys have been giving on the vlog, so that's really encouraging for me and makes me want to make more videos for you guys. So if you guys can, keep it up, and also subscribe to the channel, and we'll be dropping a vlog every Friday, every Aloha Friday. And I'm looking to have a really good winter, and there's a lot of swells coming, so definitely stay tuned. But yeah, we're gonna come out with a weekly vlog this week and just give you guys a little rundown about what my life looks like on a weekly basis, and especially this week with some swell on the way, and looks like we're gonna get some opening day at Pipeline this Saturday. So really stoked about that, but I gotta get my life in order first, and then I can enjoy the waves. So tune in and hope you guys enjoy. Finished training for the day. That always feels good. I always feel like just got done with my first workout at physio since I've been back from Indo. It's always hard to take a break from training and get back. I feel like the first couple weeks are the hardest weeks, but once you get through that, then you're killing it. But right now, the mental state just feels weak, and I just want to give up and quit because it's just so hard. But you just gotta get yourself back in there no matter what and make it happen. If it were easy, everyone would do it. So I'm gonna go jump in the water, ride my little fun board I made. I shaped this 5'5". It's like my little skateboard. Wow, the sunset's incredible. I'm gonna jump off the rock right there into the wave. Acid drop, it's called.
Okay.
I don't have a leash though, so if I fall,
It'll be funny.
the board might go bye-bye.
Oh. Go get it. Go get it.
Fail. The board was like too heavy for me to jump off into the wave.
Really?
It's like slipping. Good morning, Hawaii. You have been sleeping oh so long. I am acting like I'm being productive. Call my manager. I need traction pads for my 15 surfboards I ordered. I also need stickers. I'll look for a clip to post on IG. I'm gonna unpack my suitcase. It's been sitting there for 2 weeks. He would rather me go to a store and pick them up. I don't know. Whatever's easiest, or they have a factory here. And with him, it's hard.
So it's easier to go to a store, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, and I don't have to take all of them at once. You know, I can just go get 5 for now, and then.
Yeah.
Just picked up some new boards. Gonna unbox them. See what we got. I actually didn't order these boards. Britt just made them for me. I'm changing some stuff in my boards and he wants me to try it. So I'm stoked. I think there's 3 boards total. There are 2 boxes. Let's open them up and see what's inside. Boards look super sick. Spine Tech. This would be a good like groveler kind of board. 6.0, 19, 2.5. Squash tail. Little more entry rocker. Yeah. Same thing as the last one. More entry rocker. But down here. Board looks mental. Blades. Never gets old opening up brand new boards. Psyching.
Zeke just dropped the hydro flask and it rolled all the way down the hill.
Soup.
We're gonna go snorkel all along there, as far as we can go until Jenna gets scared.
Shout out to Duffy in Hawaii. Always hooking it up.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning, waste of time.
We're leaving the beach prettier than we found it, and now we're going home.
There's 2 Whole Foods equal distance from us, and the Kailua one is a way prettier drive, so might as well go that way.
You leave the cart out in the rain. So you have 2 of these hard ones?
Yeah.
2 normal ones?
We're done,
We're done.
and it's raining.
6 bags later. Yeah, we're gonna go left.
You just abandoned me.
Just trying to save the groceries. So we just got back from doing a grocery run. Here's all the goodies. Now it's time for the unboxing or the unbagging and put the groceries away. Boom, 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 boom. Rockstars are taking up a lot of space, so we're gonna have to take those out. Isn't that the best feeling ever to just have a stocked refrigerator? Boom! Bonsai bagels! Stocked. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Yep, put it away. Goodbye.
Yum.
Super good.
Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.
6:15. We're driving out north. The goal is to get there by 7 a.m. But we want to get out there early so we beat the crowds, which is probably too late already. Baron says he's paddling out to like get a couple. Yes, this is a long drive, but I usually do it early in the morning, so there's no traffic and there's no nothing. It's a pretty easy drive, but it's kind of good. Get my coffee or my morning routine, and I get to have this time to drive out and wake up and get my mind right. Think about how the waves are going to be, listen to some music, and kind of gives me a little more time to wake up and get my body going and get my mind right. But especially for like contest days and stuff, it's like a nice calming thing for me to do, and I've always done it since I was young. There's my house. I grew up on this hill right here. So that's usually where the drive used to start. So I actually went further away.
When you bought
So
a
you
house.
can just throw 30 minutes on this drive. When I bought a house, I bought it on the total opposite side of the North Shore. But it's my favorite side of the island. A lot of people don't understand, and it's okay. It's perfect because it's my side of the island. So.
And beware of capolas.
You're just going way too fast, cousin. You gotta look at the signs. It says 65, you're just going 85. I gotta take your car away. Please step out of the vehicle. Look at my hair.
Look at this like barrel you have going on the top of your head.
Everything's barreling.
No, like it's just one chunk of hair. We probably have like 15 more minutes of a drive. Then we'll be at the beach.
And I'm out there immediately. No surf check, nothing. Get out, change your shorts, grab your board.
I'll probably go on a quick run and then watch sink surf.
Oh, pincher. Finally made it out here. Kind of still looks morning sickness, but whatever. I didn't drive 1 hour to just look at it. I'm out there. Get a couple. See you guys after. pipe swell of the winter. Kind of had a shocker, but just really excited because I got a bunch of new boards and wanted to try it, and first pipe swell, so that's obviously psyching. Got a couple fun ones, but I don't know, hit the bottom and got a pretty bad cut on the bottom of my foot, so that's probably gonna cut my day short. But I'm glad I got to try my boards and feel out my new winter quiver, and yeah, probably head back to town, go grab something to eat, and go back home and get this cut clean and try and heal up for the next swell. I was riding a 6'2", 18/7/8", 2.5 Happy model, or the new Happy model. We're just making some changes to it, so I got to try it out there. It felt all right. I don't know. I also didn't get that many good waves, so probably gonna have to try it again. But for the most part, I didn't die, so that means the board's pretty good. But this cut is just. It's that.
Are you getting a little sand in it? Let's go stop at the lifeguard stand. Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate this cut?
Warning, graphic content.
So every winter, I usually get a really gnarly cut, something like this, then it just doesn't heal the whole entire winter because I don't stop surfing to let it heal. So I'm debating what I should do about this, because it's literally the first day of waves and this happened. So probably just gonna surf. This is just gonna be something I have to deal with for 3 months.
Rub some sand in it.
Just rub some sand in it and hopefully it heals. I don't know. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments to help my cut heal faster and get me back in the water, because I don't know what to do about this thing. It's pretty eggy.
I heard subscribing helps.
Yeah, I heard subscribing helps my skin grow faster. So if you guys could do that, that'll help me out a lot.
Put that in a couple of days, but it'll hurt like hell.
Is that iodine?
Yeah.
No, that's good.
Well, hopefully you scored some good ones before. It was nice, huh?
Yeah, I had a couple.
Nice to meet you. Right on.
Thank you. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Just got cleaned up. Thank you, North Shore Lifeguards. Always there, always reliable. It's nice to have, but looks like my day is done. No more surfing for me. I gotta let this cut heal, so probably just grab some food and head back to town. The North Shore season's just starting, so this is the first session of many. Definitely want to stay tuned. If you guys can like, comment, and subscribe, we'll be making a lot more of these videos, and hopefully get a lot more clips to show you guys. So thanks for watching. Cheers.